You might have been wondering what this writing is about. Raji is doing a stand-in series Bikram workshop, May the 27th, 2 till 4:30ish. Please. Bikram yoga is a foundation and a practice for all of us. God knows where I'd be without it, right? Getting the alignment right and getting the right posture for you is key to transcending how you progress in your practice. You've heard me saying a lot at the moment, yoga is not seeing your progress, it's felt, right? Having the right structure in the body, you can transcend the posture and then start to move into the other limbs of yoga rather than just getting stuck in the asana side of it, okay? So, come to this workshop. I've got several teachers here. We break the room down, we demonstrate the posture, how it should not be done. Then you do the posture, you get a teacher assigned to a group of you, and you get personal adjustments from every single standing posture that we have in Bikram. So it's so worth it to come to ignite your practice, bring it back to life. You've been doing this for a long time. This workshop is for you because we're getting to bad habits, right? And then we start to carve new pathways through the body and deepen into our practice. So crucial and beneficial to keep, like anything, you need to keep it moving, otherwise it stagnates and then it's just dead. Okay, 27th of May, Saturday, give yourself a gift. Come to this workshop, you'll get so much out of it, I promise you, okay? See you on the mat. Namaste.